This presentation covers Chapter 20, Organic Chemistry IGCSE Class 9 and 10 Chemistry Curriculum. This slide displays the molecular models and structural formulas for the first four members of the alkane homologous series: methane, ethane, propane, and butane. Introduction to Organic Chemistry. Organic compounds are chemical compounds that are based on the element carbon. Most organic compounds are originally derived from crude oil. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds made of hydrogen and carbon atoms only. There are two main types: alkanes, which are saturated hydrocarbons, meaning they only contain single carbon-carbon bonds; alkenes, which are unsaturated hydrocarbons, meaning they contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. Alkanes. Saturated hydrocarbons alkanes have the general formula CnH2n plus 2. They are generally unreactive except in combustion or substitution reactions. Combustion. They burn to produce carbon dioxide CO2 and water H2O. Substitution. They react with halogens in the presence of UV light. They are widely used as fuels such as methane and propane. This slide displays two diagrams of important organic reactions. The first shows the laboratory apparatus for the cracking of an alkane. The second illustrates the addition polymerization of ethene, showing how the ethene monomer links together to form the repeat unit of the polymer. First six alkanes. This table lists the first six alkanes and their properties. Methane, formula CH4, is a gas with a boiling point of -164 degrees Celsius. Ethane, formula C2H6, is a gas with a boiling point of -89 degrees Celsius. Propane, formula C3H8, is a gas with a boiling point of -42 degrees Celsius. Butane, formula C4H10, is a gas with a boiling point of 0 degrees Celsius. Pentane, formula C5H12, is a liquid with a boiling point of 36 degrees Celsius. Hexane, formula C6H14, is a liquid with a boiling point of 69 degrees Celsius. Alkenes, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes have the general formula CnH2n. They contain a carbon-carbon double bond C equals C. They are more reactive than alkanes because of this double bond. They undergo addition reactions, where the double bond breaks and atoms are added to the molecule. A common test for unsaturation is the bromine water test. Alkenes will decolorize brown bromine water. Cracking of hydrocarbons. Cracking is the process of breaking down long-chain alkanes into shorter, more useful alkanes and alkenes. It requires a high temperature and a catalyst. This process is important for producing petrol and the alkene monomers needed to make polymers. For example, decane can be cracked to produce pentane, propene, and ethene. Alkenes and their polymers. This table shows common monomers, the polymers they form, and their uses. The monomer ethene forms the polymer polyethene, which is used for plastic bags and bottles. The monomer propene forms the polymer polypropene, which is used for ropes and carpets. The monomer chloroethene forms PVC, polyvinyl chloride, which is used for pipes and window frames. Key takeaways. Note: the content on this slide appears to be from a different topic but is extracted here as written in the source document. A key summary is: exothermic means heat out, and endothermic means heat in. Simple molecules have weak forces between them, which leads to low boiling points. Giant covalent structures have strong bonds, which leads to high melting points. Thank you for learning with us.